Hi everyone, it's me. I know it's been a super long time since I've recorded a video, but if you work retail, then you know that your hours shoot way up during the holidays. So that's kind of where I've been, but thankfully my hours are going to slow down and I'm so excited to be filming again. I have been wanting to do this video and another video that I'm going to be doing right after this one. So if you see me in the same setup and the same clothing, then that is why. This unboxing is going to be for Cutiefieme. They are an Etsy shop and she sells, pretty much the title gives it away, that she sells like a bunch of really cute, very kawaii, even some retro stuff, which I actually really love. I'm just going to be opening up something that I purchased and I'm so excited about this. So let's just get started. Oh my goodness! Okay, look how cute this is. Here, let me zoom in a little bit. Look how cute this is. Oh, focus on that. It looks like I've got two, I ordered two different things, so this is the necklace. Oh my goodness, and there's like a little handwritten note in here. Thank you for stopping by at Cutiefieme. Here's a coupon for 15% off your next order. XOXO Hannah. And then here is the card. I won't show the coupon code because I'm assuming it's just because I purchased something, but how sweet is that? Ah, it's so cute and it's pink and cupcakey. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm like blown away. I did not know that the heart on this necklace, this is the necklace. I didn't know that the pendant was gonna be this big. Like, look at my hand. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It's a resin piece and then it's got a very pastel pink background with iridescent glitter in the back. And going from left to right with the little like stickers that are in here, they're like 3D puff stickers. There's a teapot, a cupcake, I believe, and then a teacup, a party hat, I think that's what that is, or a castle, maybe it's a castle. And then like a gingerbread house, and then at the bottom it's another heart. The back has white resin with a little bit of iridescent glitter in it. And then onto the actual necklace, there are two bows that are right above the pendant. And then they have like little detailing on them. And then it's like beaded with light pink and hot pink beads. And they've got holographic coating on them. And then at the very top near the clasp, it's got like a little plastic chains that you can adjust the size, which I want to wear this as small as possible because I want it to be closer to my neck so that you can see the pendant a lot more. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am so blown away with this. Oh, okay. I will try this on in a second. I want to move on to the next thing. I am so blown away with this. Okay, let's open this next thing. Oh my goodness, the packaging is so cute. Look at that little bunny. I always wonder when people have their own companies and they have really cute packaging, like, don't you end up like spending a lot of money on that? Like, I mean, it's worth it to have like a really nice brand. Like if I had my own company, like that's what I would want to do. I would want to have really cute packaging, but I worry like, oh my goodness, like how would I pay for like all this cute stuff and like still make enough? Because you're already spending so much time and effort into your products, let alone the packaging. Okay, and these are the next things. These are rocking horse dangly earrings. And check those out. How cute. They do have another set that she was selling and I can show a picture of them. They are the same exact thing, but the bow on top is pink and the cameo background is blue. And the rocking horse, I believe, is pink. So I actually did want those, but because I waited so long, they ended up like selling out. And so I just got these instead. And these are so unique. The top part is a light pale blue bow. And it's connected to a cameo background with a rocking horse on it. And the background is a beautiful lilac color. The rocking horse is pink, and then it's got like its saddle and the little thing that goes around their schnoz, if you will. And then that's got yellow, and they're just so cute. Here's everything together. Now, for my style, I've always been like this, where if I have bigger earrings, I try to keep my neck bare, and then if my neck has something, I try to wear like studs. So I guess I just kind of like to balance it out as much as possible. This necklace is seriously a work of art, and I don't know if Hannah, I don't know her in real life or anything, but I don't know if she will ever see this video, but if she does, I'm like I hate when people use the word amazed, because I feel like it's just overused, but I'm like completely, like I really feel like in shock over how beautiful this necklace is. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I just want to give her like a huge thank you for just having a lot of pride in her brand, because it makes me feel inspired and like kind of feel like myself too. So I know that's like super deep for jewelry, but I don't know, that's just how I feel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Just remember that Jesus loves you, and I will see you in another video. Bye.